Let's create some goblins together this Halloween with workshop tutorials and so much more inside of my Papier Mache realm. Welcome, my friends. This is Rozani, and I want to share my latest progress and some recent news about my new shop that's open right now on my Patreon, which is a new beginning for me. And this is the place, my friends, where we can explore these goblin garments as part of a collection within my Papier Mache Goblin Chronicles. And I'm also creating goblins for myself, like this little pencil goblin with a little companion nesting on top of his head. And I'm still working on these little fingers to use on my very own goblin. And I'll be making many, many of these. I want to have a variety of spooky little creatures for the Halloween party buffet table, with all sorts of little goblins here and there. Your creations don't have to be spooky. They can also be whimsical. And I would be genuinely delighted to guide you through the process, because it's about having fun after all, and discovering how to start these little goblins from scratch, how to use different techniques, and our own imaginations, while I guide you through the process within these tutorials. You can make them as simple as a goblin pumpkin. And here are some examples of a few. But it's totally up to you. And if you've never made goblins out of papier mache before, I'll give you a few options. Of course, you can visit my playlists. They're absolutely free on the channel. That'll get you started with the basics. Or my workshop tutorials on Patreon, where you can join for free, visit my shop, or become a patron. So come along with me if you want to go beyond the basics and experiment. Do something quite different for Halloween. You are welcome to join me anytime. Maybe you'll find something that you're interested in. And by the way, you can work at your own pace on any of these projects, whenever you like. I want to thank you for having been here with me through this Halloween update. And I'm hoping that you're having a happy and safe October, and that you have a great Halloween. Bye for now, and I hope to see you next time.